If you would like to use electric hand trucks,
it's worth to spend 30 minutes just to practice it. At the first beginning, we recommend you practice without load and then with some load. Please do not carry heavy data. When you just received the new machine, it may be falling down on stairs. Hey, it is Jack here. Today I am going to teach you how to operate the powered stair climber.
Step by step. Let's dive in.
Before the operation, drag the handle to the highest, and lock the 4 bolts tightly. Now you can start to operate. Here it is the 3 steps. Firstly, ensure the 2 wheels close to the step head. Then, you stand on the 3rd step from the wheels, and keep one of your footer behind another. Finally, hold the powered stair climber handle, and press down. Please ensure your hands are vertical to the stair. For green hands, we recommend you use with a slow speed. You will know the working principles of the machine and learn the operations fast. Once you're familiar with the operation skills, you can even operate it by one hand. If your cargo was not put in the right position, it may cause the cargo falling down, so you should keep the cargo's gravity balance point go up. For example, if you are moving building materials or food and oil, the wrong operation is put the 4 packages flat on the loading board. It may be falling down since the low gravity balance point. The right operation is putting the packages stand up on the loading board, and then the gravity balance point will go up. It is less likely to fall down in this way. Finally, we share with you several common wrong operation ways. 1. Your stand position is too high or you bend too low. 2. You drag the machine upstairs. 3. You drag the electric hand truck on your side and it causes the machine fall down and you will be awkward with your back. Some customers didn't even pull out the armrest. This angle is too upright. The machine is easy to turn over, standing very high and bending very low. After a long time, the waist will be very tired.